Yeah, it's a complex question, but it ain't so complex that you can't get to the essence of it. The essence of it is he's an arch white supremacist, and the question to the institution is what side of history do you stand on? Do you stand with the oppressed in their struggle for justice?
This is a response to the creation of that monument, which is attempting to complicate Woodrow Wilson's legacy. I think it's personally a waste of time. $14 million going towards what? $14 million can do good for a lot of people that Princeton has wronged. And instead, we're trying to put quotes up that this guy made. And these quotes, like this, are illegible. They're at the top of a monument that people can't even read. And so it's essentially just another monument to white supremacy as opposed to any real solution to the myriad of problems made by white supremacy.
If the stature and character of Princeton today result partly from reforms that Wilson launched, they likewise benefit from efforts by subsequent generations to repudiate the exclusionary views he espoused. It is critical that one outcome of this process be a much more multifaceted understanding and representation of Wilson on our campus.
What you don't know, read, study, expose the truth, denounce the anti-humanitarian, denounce the imperialist white supremacist that Woodrow Wilson is. And you know what? While they've made a step, we will together continue to struggle. We will create, and you all are doing it now, the political constituency that it will be too uncomfortable for them to try to prettify it with artwork around the campus. That's good. Yes. Expose the truth, but we will create the tension. We will make it uncomfortable. We will make it untenable. We will be ungovernable. That's
To be a student of color in these circumstances, in a campus that marginalizes the voices of scholars of color, in a campus that keeps and elevates the Wilson name, to be a student of color in this campus is to live a painful present. And all staff and faculty of color and all allies in this campus must advocate for the well-being of students of color and publicly recognize that Princeton University has historically and currently failed to publicly recognize the perpetuation of institutional racism. The Wilson installation shows that structures of power prefer to invest in excusing imperial narratives than to actually create space and intersectional visibility and curricula of those that have been the most marginalized and silenced.
White money runs for president. White money votes. White money has 3 flags. White money loves chicken. White money is on fire. White money wears blackface. White money plays ball. White money stops the play. White money kneels. White money loses. White woman cries. White money changes the rules. White money draws the red lines. White money drops the white lines. White money rolls up. White money inhales. White money jumps for cathedral fire in Europe. Sleeps on the sound of gunfire in El Paso. Sleeps on indigenous death. Sleeps on black breath. White money wakes up. White money hits snooze. White man opens fire. White money stops at Burger King. White money wears a bulletproof vest. White money wears a white hood. White money is God. White Jesus is real. White money burns crosses. White money prays. White money prays. White money drops the ball, drops the bomb, drops the word nigga. White money hangs him back up. White money hangs from trees. White money hugs trees. White money rolls trees. White money knows how to rap. White money never has bars. White man gets bail. White money wakes up. White money donates to white money. White money hits snooze. White money dies in its sleep. Cause of death, lack of oxygen. Ashes to ashes. Dollar to cent. White money burns. White money comes back. White money moves in. White money opens fire. White money stops, drops, and rolls. White money burns. White.
At home, in my home today, where they fight for democracy and where the police shoot people my age, we are told that democracy and liberalism are Western values for white countries. And that's because that's what Woodrow Wilson's racist internationalism taught us.
Oh, wow.
In the university's blurb for this event today, it writes, "We will engage in conversation about how all communities can honestly address painful parts of their collective past without erasing history." That said, it's perfectly content to erase conversation about the present That's why it's willing to take down Hong Kong's Lennon Wall and Frist. That's why it's going to ban open questions by President Eisgruber at the CPUC. That's why it power washes the cries of sexual assault survivors on campus. Woodrow Wilson was a racist and a bigot. So is his internationalism. Princeton School of Public Policy does not deserve to be named after this man, and until the university is willing to engage and support all honest conversations, it has no moral standing on which to engage in them. If the university is determined to engage in continued conversations about Wilson, I ask, why did it walk away? Why did Walter Hood walk away? Why did President Eisgruber walk away?
Good question.